Hi dear children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we have learned perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, perimeter of a triangle. So, today we will learn how to find the area of rectangle and square. Area. Look at these two tables. If you were to cover the surfaces of these two tables with newspapers, which table do you think will require more sheets? Which table do you think will require more sheets? Can you say? Table B require more sheets than table A. Okay. So, which table has greater surface A or B? Which table has greater surface A or B? That is B. Table B has a greater surface than table A. Understand? Thus, table B has a greater area than table A. Table B has a greater area than table A. So, the amount of surface a plain closed figure covers is called its area. That means measures the surface of a simple closed region. Thus, area can be expressed in centimeter into centimeter, that is square centimeters, then square meters and square kilometers. Okay. The area of figures such as a square or rectangle can be measured using a square of 1 centimeter side as the standard unit of area. Standard unit of area. The area of a square with 1 centimeter side is 1 square centimeter. Okay. Such a square is called a unit square. That is called unit square. We write it in short as 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square. Okay. Dear children, please note that area is expressed in square units, square centimeter or square meter. Okay. Area of a rectangle. In the given rectangle or figure ABCD, there are 18 squares of 1 square centimeter area each. Look at the rectangle. Okay. So, its area is 18 square centimeter. Please listen. Then count the number of unit squares in each row. There are 6. Count the number of unit squares in each column. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have multiplied. Okay. 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter. That is equal to 18 centimeter square or 18 square centimeter. The area of the rectangle is 18 square centimeter. The area found by counting the squares is also 18 square centimeter. Okay. So, the formula to find the area of a rectangle is area is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to L into B. Area is equal to L into B. We use this formula to find the area of rectangles. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. Listen. Here A is the area, L is the length and B is the breadth. That is A is equal to L into B. Okay. For example, find the area of a rectangle of 10 centimeter length and 8 centimeter breadth. Here length is equal to 10 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Thus, area of a rectangle is equal to formula length into breadth, that is A is equal to L into B. Here length is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter into breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. 10 centimeter into 8 centimeter, that is equal to 80 square centimeter. Area of a rectangle is equal to 80 square centimeter or 80 centimeter square. Okay. Next, area of a square. In the given square, there are 9 squares of 1 square centimeter area each. So its area is 9 square centimeter. Here count the number of unit squares in each row. There are 3. Count the number of unit squares in each column. There are 3. So length is equal to breadth. Okay. In the case of a square, length is equal to breadth, that is 3 into 3. 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 9 square centimeter. Okay. 9 square centimeter. So the formula to find the area of a square, area is equal to side into side. Area of a square is equal to side square. Side square. Okay. A is equal to S into S. A is equal to S into S. Okay. For example, find the area of a square of 10 centimeter side. Here side is equal to 10 centimeter. Thus area of a square is equal to formula. What is the formula? Side into side. A is equal to S into S. That is equal to side 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. That is equal to 100 square centimeter. Area of a square is equal to 100 square centimeter. Let's see another example. Find the area of a square of 8 centimeter side. Here side is equal to 8 centimeter. Thus area of a square is equal to formula side into side, S into S. That is equal to 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. That is equal to 8 into 8 what? 8 into 8, 64 square centimeter. Okay. Dear children, some homework for you. See page number 135 and 36. Exercise 8.2.1. Find the areas of the following figures. 2. Given the following measurements, find the areas of these rectangles. 3. Find the areas of the squares with the following sides. Then 4. Solve the following A, B, C. You must do homework. Okay.